Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and in today's video we're going to be doing a small but really needed upgrade to Uncle Rusty behind me here. Finally got Uncle Rusty all cleaned up from winter, you know, all salty and crap all over him. Want to make this quick video today. While we're working on Gramps, you can see the cabs up on my F-150 back there. That's a big project. I'm filming tearing that apart, so if you haven't checked that out already, be sure to go hit that link up in the corner here. Check out the Gramps Turbo F-150 sleeper build. A lot of work to be done over there, but today we're going to focus on Uncle Rusty here. So Uncle Rusty is my 2006 Chevy Colorado. Got his name for obvious reasons here. These rockers completely gone. I actually went through and cut out a bunch of the stuff that was just falling out. Cleaned it up a little bit, getting ready to put those new rocker panels on. Waiting for the weather to get a little bit better to do that. But we're going to be focusing on the back here today. We're going to be upgrading Uncle Rusty's nasty taillights. So a lot of mid-2000s Chevys had this issue with the taillights delaminating. So there's actually a clear plastic over the red plastic, and when it starts to delaminate, you get this weird look where the red's still attached, but this clear part's starting to separate, so you can see that, and then dirt starts to get down in there, and it starts to look really nasty. So the easiest thing to do, obviously, is just replace the whole taillight, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Picked up a couple of new taillights off of Amazon. I will put a link to these in the description down below. Fairly inexpensive and really easy to replace. All you need is of course, like any garage, I've lost all my good screwdrivers and just have the stubby Phillips left. But all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and a couple of taillights. So let's dig into this one. I'll quickly show you how to do it. Really easy. We just have two Phillips screws here. We got one here and one in the latch for the tailgate here. So one there, one there. Once you have the two screws out, just pull the taillights straight back, just like that. Then once it's out, you'll see we have the 3 bulb sockets. They're like 1/8 turn, maybe quarter, yeah, 1/8 a turn to get those guys out. Seconds, you can have your whole taillight assembly out. So let's pull our new one out of the bag here. Wow, look at that difference. Oh, that's gonna look so much better. So it looks pretty much identical to the factory taillight. I already took one of these seals off, but it comes with the seal on all these. Just peel those guys off. Comes with the metal clips for the screws already in place. Like that. Then it does not come with new screws, so you'll have to reuse the factory screws. There we go. That's it. That's all it takes to replace the taillights. We'll do the same thing on the other side, and we'll take a look when we're all done. All right, got the other side in now. Shut the tailgate. Wow, those things look so much better, so much cleaner. Looks like it should now. Such an easy, cheap upgrade. Obviously it doesn't make my giant dent in the fender look any better, but taillights look great. And actually, the driver's side one was really bad. The passenger side one, look how much dirt just got in between the two lenses. And you can even see the clear is separating from the red. I can just pull it away with my fingers. And eventually just enough dirt and moisture gets in there that those things just separate and start to look like crap. So yeah, way better, way better. I'm gonna film one more video on Uncle Rusty tonight, and then it's back to work on Gramps over there. Then in the next video, going to be putting some bed rail caps on here. The truck used to have a PAP cap on the back, the big glass topper, fiberglass topper. It had it on there since pretty much new, so kind of rubbed away a lot of the paint here, and really bad on this side. I've sealed this so that won't rust anymore. Then we're going to be putting some plastic bed rail caps on there that kind of match the ones I have from the bed liner here. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Again, those brand new taillights, the Amazon link is in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. We'll talk to you next time.